Catherine Bernardo update. Ayan, sa post ng Idol Vision, ayan, behind the scene nila Catherine at Mami Min for Idol Vision. Ayan, mother-daughter magic behind the lens. Ayan o. Ayan, happy Mother's Day kay Mami Min ni Catherine. Ayan o. Catherine and Mami Min for Idol Vision. Ayan o. Tapos, and last night, yan, nasa birthday party si Catherine ng friend niya. After ng kanyang shoot, busy si Catherine. Ayan po. Catherine and Miss Pinky.
Happy liver. Healthy. Second, happy lover.
Yun, no?
Third, more money for you. More money. Amazing so much. Healthy liver na lang. Healthy liver. Healthy liver, Emil. Bye.
Sa birthday party. And nag-enjoy just Catherine sa mga friend niya. Okay. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Victor Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.